Hey everybody, this week I decided to talk about ember.js, which is basically an open source JavaScript framework that is based on model view controllers. Basically, it maps a URL to the router, it then loads a template and a model, then it persists to the web server, loads as components, and access the model data. Here on their main website, they do offer quite a bit of information, and it's a really great go-to tool when you're trying to learn about Ember. They give you like code examples, guides, APIs. They really give you everything to go off of here, and they also have a bunch of files on GitHub that you can fork or download to your own desktop and kind of work off of as well. One main thing that Ember uses is a handlebars template. It pretty much allows you to write less code and keeps your HTML up to date. Here below they have an example of how to use handlebars, which is basically these two curly brackets that's used to call or identify the expression for. So as an example, they're trying to call upon or identify the expression name, and they use that with the two curly brackets. So down below, when you go to enter in your name, it'll pop up here. And then when you go to change it, it'll change to whatever you change it to. Ember also uses components, which also allow you to create your own HTML tags, which is a really great tool because then you can kind of make things the way that you want and you know where it's at. Ember also uses jQuery instead of JSON to pull data from the web server, but it routes just like AngularJS does. A ton of applications and websites out there use emberjs, like Yahoo, YouTube. Some of these I'm not really too sure what they are, but there's a lot out there that use Ember. It's very popular and a lot of people like to use it. Some say that it's easier than AngularJS. On the main web page, they have a section called Guides, and under Guides, they give you everything that you need to know. They explain all types of things like the object model, templates, controllers, testing, and even application concerns. They have a lot of great examples to learn from and code to kind of understand where to go with everything. So I really liked reading through everything on here and kind of getting an idea as to how everything works. The main thing I liked is this little map right here. It basically gives you an overview or explains how Ember works. Overall, I would have to say that emberjs does seem like it would be a little bit easier than Angular. You have a little less coding to do, but some people have different opinions. I'm still not quite sure which one would be easier for me to quite grasp.